Fani Willis and Nathan Wade get bad news from judge in Georgia case. That's what I have for you today, so buckle up, Patriots. On with the show. Fani Willis gets double tap of bad news from Judge McAfee, Fulton County Judge. A court date of Friday, March 1st, has been set in which Judge McAfee of Fulton County will hear arguments on whether Fulton County DA Fani Willis and her staff should be disqualified from prosecuting the RICO case against former President Donald Trump and 18 members of the 2020 campaign legal team. The basis of the claim that she said she should be disqualified is her alleged improper romantic relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, one of 3 special prosecutors she hired for the case. The Fulton County Ethics Board will also hear 2 complaints against Willis stemming from that relationship. Now, if you look back and you look at my other videos, you can see everything up to this date and how they've lied on the stand about the relationship. The last video I made was about the phone calls and texts 11 months prior to her hiring him as a special prosecutor, which they said their relationship did not start until after she hired him, which was a lie. But then, another bit of bad news for them. Judge orders Nathan Wade's divorce lawyer to testify again on client's relationship with Fani Willis. Now, this could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing because the judge had a closed-door meeting or talk or whatever you want to call it with him privately, but I believe it was under, I believe it was being taped. He had to have proof that this wasn't rigged. There was probably a stenographer in there or something. But he could have came out and this guy could have said, no, their relationship wasn't until after or something like that. But the judge was trying to talk to him because he was trying to get attorney-client privilege on the questions that he answered. This was Terrence Bradley. And when he testified on day 2, he could have said their relationship, wasn't until after, or he could have said it was before. We never know. But Georgia judge has ordered a former law partner and divorce attorney for Nathan Wade to testify again about the Trump prosecutor's relationship with Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, as defendants in the state's 2020 election interference case seek to have Willis disqualified. They lied. That's perjury. They should be placed in jail. Lawyer Terrence Bradley may be forced to retake the witness stand Tuesday after Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee informed attorneys in an email late Monday that attorney-client privilege does not protect some conversation that Bradley had with Wade, according to the Atlantic Journal-Constitution. The order to testify comes after the judge and Bradley held a closed-door meeting Monday that lasted more than an hour. A spokesman for Willis said that the district attorney's office can only provide comment in court. Defense attorneys in the Trump election interference case are hoping to disqualify her and her entire office because of the improper romantic relationship between the district attorney Wade, whom she appointed in an investigation alleged interference in Georgia in the 2020 presidential election. Well, they lied in court to everybody's faces, saying that there was no relationship prior to her hiring him, which we know by the phone calls, 2,000 phone calls and 12,000 texts 11 months prior to and up to November 2nd or November 1st when she hired him. That should taint any and all so-called evidence she has against Trump, which was all lies anyways, because she's going to be known as a convicted liar. So there's 2 things going up against her. So hopefully Friday, March the 1st, it's supposed to begin at 1 o'clock. I will do a live feed and we'll listen to the court hearing as the attorneys ask their questions. So please join me here on Rumble, Facebook, Twitter, locals, everywhere I'm going to be streaming on Friday, March 1st. Hopefully it'll go. If it doesn't, I won't be on because I want to cover the hearing. So let me know what you guys think about this. Leave comments and questions below. And I hope to see you March 1st if the hearing goes through. Like I said, at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Let's get the corruption out of these Democrats and the persecution of Donald Trump. That's why I tell you about getting out and voting during these elections this year. We've got to get the Democrats out of power no matter what it takes. That's why I do these videos, to get the truth out to you guys, to show the Joe Biden corruption and the Democrat Party. They want this country to be a dictatorship. They want to control everything that you do, everything that you spend your money on, everything. So share my videos with your friends and family. Follow me on Rumble at Country Conservative. I'll be watching this story and many others. As soon as I get some more information on this or any other thing, I'll get it out to you. So this has been the Country Conservative. Stay informed. Stay vigilant. I'll see you next time.